All right, it's Friday, October 27th, just following up on Amazon. I decided to exit this trade and take a small gain. I bought the stock here. I discussed earlier videos how I bought it here at the blue line, scaled out at this blue line to set up a no-risk trade. And then when I watched this orderly pullback that wanted to start up, but then started back, red on this bar, I decided to exit, given that I'm just not getting that, orderly pullback secondary push that should have happened if it was going to be heading higher in the short run. So I exited the trade. I bought the stock at 128.97, scaled out at 130. I discussed that on previous videos. Then I exited the trade 129.46. Again, the intraday structure is still up, given that, we're still above the halfway point of that first bar. So it's possible this is just a shakeout and we consolidate and start higher today. But there's a lot of mixed signals in the market. And again, my big thing was on this one that we were kind of taking out this pivot, not failing, so that should have continued up to this area. Now you can see maybe, but when the day's over, we're going to look like we're going to fail at this pivot, and who knows, maybe starting next week you get a 2 down to fill in this gap. So the thing to me was the fact that it came down in that orderly way, which I always look for, and then started up. This should have been the push up towards those higher targets. Since it didn't develop, to me, it was just worth getting out. It's a mixed market environment. I'll recap it at the end of the day. Amazon's still strong, but for now, heading a little lower, and we'll just see how it ends the day at this point. It's going to be important for me to judge whether this pivot is failing or and then maybe continuing lower, or are we holding in here and then working towards those upper targets. Given this price action, hard to tell, whereas early on it seemed pretty high probability we were going to at least start up, which we did, and now this pullback makes it a little more uncertain. So let's see how Amazon closes today, and let's see how the market closes as well.